What's the meaning of Ag? Ag. 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 Ag is a chemical symbol for silver, a metallic element with the atomic number 47 and a white lustrous appearance. Silver can be found in pure form, but it is also commonly used in alloys with other metals to enhance their properties. Silver is known for its high thermal and electrical conductivity, malleability, and resistance to corrosion. It has various industrial and commercial applications, including jewelry, coinage, electronics, photography, and medicine. Silver is also considered a valuable investment and has historical significance in many cultures.